How to convert string to integer in Python. You can use int built-in function to convert given value of string to integer. The syntax of int built-in function is int function can take two arguments. The first argument is a string value or a number. The second argument is a base number using which the integer is constructed from the first argument. The base, the second parameter, is optional with a default value of 10. Let us see some examples on how to use int function to convert a given string value to an integer. First example, consider that we are given a string which contains base 10 digits in variable x. Call int function and pass the given string as argument. Int function converts the given string into an integer value using the default base value of 10 and returns the integer. Let us store the returned integer value in output variable. Print the input value and type of input value. Also, print the output value and type of output value. We used type built-in function to get the type of value in a variable. Save and run the program. The given input is a string with digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The output is an integer value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let us take an input string with hexadecimal digits. To convert this hexadecimal string into an integer, pass the given string as argument to int function and specify the base value of 16 because the base value of hexadecimal digits is 16. Save and run the program. The given input is a string with hexadecimal digits A to C. The output is an integer value of 2604. Let us convert the hex A to C, which is base 16, to an integer which is base 10. A to C is equal to A times 16 square plus 2 times 16 plus C. A is 10 times 256 plus 2 times 16 plus C is 12, which simplifies into 2560 plus 32 plus 12, which is equal to 2604, which is equal to the output that we got when we run the program. Similarly, you can convert a given binary string to an integer value using int function. Take a binary string in variable x. X is equal to a string value of 1101. The respective integer value is 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1, which is equal to 13. Change the base value to 2 because the given string is a binary string. Save and run the program. Given input is a string value 1101. The integer output is 13. The conversion from string to integer is not limited to specific base value. Based on your requirement of a given number system, you can adjust the base value. Concluding this video, we have seen how to convert a given string value to an integer value with examples covering base values of 10, 16 and 2. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.